Brackets in SQL wildcards. The brackets are used to match one character from a specific set of characters. They are used to search for values that contain or start with a certain characters.